4. All right. Ensure the training. Ensure the training. Ensure the training to all construction team. Construction HSE plan is to ensure the relevant training is being imparted to all construction people. HSE induction plan is in place that we have seen also, and training records are being implemented. All right. So contractor today has developed HSE metrics. HSE program has been approved by the company metrics. This one. So Arul, can you show me that one training record HSE induction?
No.
Okay. So you can show me any training record. Any training record.
Site intersection training.
Oh, yeah.
Before the person who are entering the site, they need to undergo the HSE induction training, and then from the approved contractor, and then H2S training is the mandatory requirement. Upon getting those things, and then site HSE induction specifically will be connected. Apart from the H2S training and ET training, and then we connect with the site induction training will be carried out. So what is the sentence we can we get in the manner? Yeah.
Right. So site HSE induction training process is there, and but ADNOC is managing, right? ADNOC is managing. Site HSE induction process is being implemented as per the ADNOC system. That is correct. Job specific training matrix is in place. Right? Is in place. In place. That's correct. And HSE matrix is there in the construction HSE plan. Yeah.
Site induction is being provided. Site induction.
Okay.
Already you have written. Site induction is provided.
Is being provided.
Is being provided.
Yeah.
For all the.
For
all the
people.
For all the construction. Okay, you can stop there.
Yeah.
And then you can remove the remaining sentence. And then we have a HSE training matrix is in place to ensure the training to all concerned construction team.
Right?
Yeah.
Correct. And HSE plan is there to ensure the training is being imparted to all construction people. And HSE induction, construction plan.
HSE induction plan is in place to impart HSE induction to all construction people.
Yes. And training records are being kept.
Okay. Now we want to see how site induction is being carried out. How you are ensuring that all the person is.
So when they enter the plan gate, they will put whether it's after start.